Meet the pricing team of one of the largest companies in the world. The company's product portfolio includes food, clothing, vehicles, electronics, and appliances. The pricing team plays a critical role in analyzing price change requests from the sales team by evaluating margin impact, potential incremental volume, competitor price levels, assisting in promotional campaigns with marketing team, tracking market trends, and keeping up to date on prices set by competitors. Cynthia is pricing director, whose primary responsibility is to manage the pricing strategy of the company's product portfolio. John is a pricing manager, whose typical workday involves determining the price schemes of different products manufactured by the company. Sandy is a pricing analyst on the team, who is responsible for defining pricing templates, user access administration, and pricing rules configuration. The pricing team uses Cherrywork Intelligent Price Management to manage both buy and sell side margins from a single application. Buy side helps control costs, maximize reimbursements, and evaluate supplier offers so that they can reduce the cost of goods sold for improved margins. Sell side includes discounts and rebates that can be offset by increased sales volume, market share, and profits. Sandy uses the application to create user roles and assign permissions, configure email notifications, set minimum and maximum threshold for the pricing of each item, maintain competitor data, and create price book templates. John uses the application to review existing price books and create new ones using the predefined templates available in the application. Pricebook helps him get detailed insight into multiple pricing criteria, such as product category, price analysis, net price, revenue, inventory, historical pricing, along with pricing recommendations. He is creating a new price book, and while setting the price, John has an option to either define his own price or use a predefined pricing template. The application gives him flexibility and control to define prices. He then uses the simulation feature to determine how different pricing types will affect the pricing scheme. This makes it easier for him to evaluate pricing impact to ensure optimal profits. He downloads price and discount reports for further analysis for his price book. He submits the price book for approval to his reporting manager, Cynthia. As a pricing director, Cynthia gets notified when a price book is submitted for approval. She verifies the details and approves the price book. The application enables Cynthia to establish appropriate pricing strategies by comparing item prices for different customers. With Cherrywork Intelligent Price Management, Sandy, John, and Cynthia have found pricing gets simplified and work gets done quickly and efficiently.